We are pleased to show you the 2015 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, remote engine start, traction control, navigation system, power lift gate, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM CD MP3 radio. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.